Hey everybody, welcome back, and we are excited about another video on E&JToyTube. And this week we have for us what's called an inductive truck. And we have 4 of these that we got actually online a little bit before Christmas, and they never came. So we just got them about, actually been 3 or 4 weeks now. We're breaking them out, take a look at them today, show you what they are, play with them a little bit, have a little contest, and then send one of them to you. And so we hope that you'll go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with a friend, and we'll let you see this cool little toy and exactly what it does, the inductive truck. Let's take a look.
I'm gonna show you what's in just one of these. Pulled out, we got the instructions, many things. We got the little truck guy, We got this one marker that we have all this paper laid out so we can like draw where the trucks can go, and they have like little sensors on the bottom that they could like sense. That. And here's one that's like this. Turn on. You have this one piece of paper. These black lines right here. You'll follow the black lines right there.
So when you get yours and you purchase one here or you find one somewhere, we'll probably ready this for someone. But you unscrew the top just like this, and whoop, a little bit more. Just like this. Unscrew the top and pull out the little piece there, and that way the batteries will work. And then just put that back on and you're ready to race. So the little truck will follow the black line, and the marker comes with it so you can draw whatever. We've actually covered our countertop here in white paper so that we can show you on a larger scale and have a little fun ourselves with what it goes. So let's clear the table, boys, and let's draw some lines so that we can race our trucks. So, let's see if mine will follow. You want to turn yours on, bud? Here, let's put it on a line somewhere. Oh, you took over. Now what's it gonna do? Oh.
Yep.
Huh.
So dumb.
Pretty good, Josiah.
So dumb. So dumb. Little dumb things.
It's kind of stuck on the same path. There's Josiah's over there. And whatever you draw, it'll follow it around the paper. That's pretty cool. It has little 2 sensors, 2 sensors on it on the bottom that just follow the line. And if you don't make it wide enough, that's what happened there. We believe is that it's just not wide enough, and so it doesn't have enough to read. So you got to make it wide with the marker. At least that's what the instructions say.
It's going crazy. I'm like crazy.
So that's pretty cool.
Everybody. Oh, it's going.
Actually, if you're interested in buying one of these, we got it on a link on Facebook just around Christmas time. Someone was selling on Facebook, but I actually found another link to it, and we'll try to put that below. Actually, after we bought it, it was a lot cheaper, the link I found later on. And so if you're interested, I don't know what it was, maybe $5 or $10. It's not just that. $5 or $10, but you can find one online.
I like my crazy cell phones. They're so dumb. These crazy cell phone and they're just following while I draw it.
I drew a monster. Ah, I'm coming. Get me. What? What's going on? Get me out of here.
And look, I'm drawing it. How dumb is he?
Oh my.
I figured it out.
Daddy, I'm drawing it. And I just fall.
Oh. I'm already seeing the name.
Daddy, we're bumping into each other.
Oh, look. Follow it.
The traffic jam.
All three.
Hey, go on your own.
All right, here we go. 3 lanes, Daddy, Elijah, and Josiah. And we're gonna race to the end. The line just goes off the end of the counter. And the last truck to go off the edge of the counter is the loser and is going to get a ding dong smashed in their face. Do you wanna lose?
No.
How about you? I don't either, so we'll see what happens. We all just got in the shower and bath, so Mommy probably won't be too happy with this on a Saturday night, but we'll find out what happens. I'm gonna set this down long enough to get everybody started fairly, and then I'll pick it back up and follow the race line. Get your cars turned on. Make sure the tracks are sitting straight. Everybody going?
Yeah.
All right, on your mark, get set, go. Run down the other end and wait for yours to fall. Wait a minute. Go, truck. Josiah looks like he's winning. No!
We're gonna get these songs smashed in your face.
Oh.
It was your idea.
Yeah.
No back, no back, no back. Josiah, we know Josiah's the winner.
All right, I was the loser of the inductive truck race, and so Josiah's gonna put a ding dong in my face. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like it, share it, comment below. Tell us what your favorite Little Debbie snack is. If you do that and you're subscribed to our channel, you could be randomly drawn to win 2 of these. We'll be sending to you so that you can race with your friends or family or brother. And then we will pick a winner 2 weeks from whenever this video posts on YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe, like below. And Josiah, hit me with your best shot. All right. Just kidding. Very good. Thanks for watching E&JToyTube. We'll see you on the next video.